based on the feedback I got from the last video, I decided to do a bit of work on the trailer. I noticed the other day the Jesus clip here just fell completely out, so looking at the other side, need to just rotate this one so that when things are coming out, they're not pushing on the backside and able to push it out, which is what I imagine happened on the left side. Yeah. All right. Gonna be welding on it, so let's be safe. Come on. Charger. All over the damn place, jeez. Oh, that's fucking awesome. Wow. Huh. What the fuck? Wait, so the charger's not even fucking hooked up. What the fuck? God damn. A lot of good I was doing having this plugged in, but wasn't grounded. I mean, was I grounded somewhere? Fuck. Oh my god. Man, this thing. Yeah, charger wasn't even hooked up. Man, that's fucking dang. Well, alright. White goes to crown, remember that. I'm gonna go ahead and hook the charger up. That way, while I'm working on it, I can then be charging it. And it's charging. So the only thing preventing these doors from opening further is the bracket that was holding the pin in. So you have the darker glasses on. Actually, yeah, I'm gonna get some dark glasses. These speed glass, I don't know about new ones, but this one's like 10 years old. Off, it's shade 5, so that's perfect. Right now what's holding it is the bracket that the pin goes in. So let's do away with those. I'll leave a little bit on though, just for bracing for the hinge pin. Better. Cool. A lot better. Haven't decided if I'm gonna weld these or bolt them yet. I'm going to weld them because if I bolt them, that'll be just something else sticking out on the inside to catch material as it's coming out of the dump. All right. Well, try the welder on will help. You know, normally I would grind that out and redo it, but my dad needs the garage. He's putting a new radiator in our buddy Rick's truck, so I gotta wrap this up soon. I mean, it'll hold. It's just not pretty. Later on, I'll probably add a second hook somewhere so I can stow these. So I just have to hang them down. I thought that's, I mean, it's fine. Ah! Hit dessert. God damn it. For all the things I bitch about. Ah! God damn it, come on. A lot of people asked about this. I looked the other day at the store as a performance tool, so that's like O'Reilly brand or something, I don't know. But I picked mine up from Handyman, like 20 bucks. As far as these things are awesome. Yep. Done welding for now, so before I lose all my daylight, let's get this hook back up. Alright. Plug that back in. I got a bunch of larger angle as well. I was going to reinforce the hinges, but I don't have time. So at least want to double check the nuts on the wheels just to make sure that I don't have a wheel fall off on the road. Alright, at least all those bolts are tight. I got a little more time to work with, so. Alright, that'll do for now. Have a good one, Williams.